Stop!
Kaibigan, simula na ang umaga.
Simula ng saya, kaya sama ka na.
Dito lamang po sa Boy!
And Chris,
Good morning.
it's a panda.
It's a fan.
Nice.
Philosophy, maraming salamat.
Feeling ko they made it for you talaga.
Yes, they do shirts for us.
Oo.
Maraming salamat.
I love my necklaces. Thank
What
you.
is it?
Blend Your. But I bought.
Brand Dior.
I bought additional. So cute.
Ganda.
Wala lang. Parang
It's also your way of supporting really local designers. Ganda.
Yeah, and it's so masaya. Wala lang.
Iba-ibang
Diba?
kulay, masaya. Katulad
Happy.
ngayong umaga, kaibigan. Talagang
Basta may,
bonggang-bongga.
oo,
ang ating
pinagsama-sama natin.
Hindi, it's amazing kasi may mga bagay na iba-iba pero pag pinagsama-sama mo, talagang magandang-maganda. Katulad na lamang ng ating mga bisita ngayong umaga, iba-ibang kanilang kagwapuhan pero may kanya-kanya silang look. But anyway, sino ang ating pinag-uusapan? They're going to dance for us today to open our morning. Tama? Mga kaibigan.
Kasama. Naku, sobrang sexy talaga as confirmed by Maxim Magazine.
Kaibigan, the beautiful Kit Kat with the Cover Boys.
Listen up, get hot every time we come forward and stop until it stop. Make your face closer like a summertime cookout. Strive for the best chick, yes I'm on a lookout. So bring it to the light, I wanna dance with a heat smell good with the skin so vain. So many hot good tricks, we don't roll my sleeve. Give me a number, I'll meet it before I could ever leave.
Like me. I know you do. I know you do. That's why whenever I come around, she's all over you. I know you like it. I know you want it. It's easy to see. It's easy to see. And in the back of your mind, I know you should be on with me. Hey guys, ooh, don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Woo, don't you? Don't you? Don't you wish your girlfriend was wrong like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Hey, don't you? Don't you? Hey, fight the feeling. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Cause it ain't love, it just ain't enough to live a happy home. Let's keep it friendly. Let's keep it friendly. You have to play fair. You have to play fair. See, I don't care, but I know you ain't none to share. Come on, guys. Ooh, don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Don't you? Don't you, baby? Don't you? Ooh, don't you wish your girlfriend was wrong like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Don't you?
Okay, I see us going
Don't you,
down.
baby? Don't you?
Singing like something sweat on not to pop up a storm. Let's go. I wanna get straight through with a blow worth watching. When I come 2 weeks to go, though I'm making it all brand new. Should we wanna jump in my own band new? Look at me all you wanna do it. You wanna put it to me up like a bluish. Do you wanna play with the play, the girl and play on? Keep up the scene all the long way on. Rock crush again, I'ma watch it at the same time. Look at the kid, gonna break my back. You hear it and wag on the back of the bag. And then put the black picture at the back of the mag. But the record don't think it was some of your gauge. Only you alone could get this all to resist the case. Got an idea that's good for yo. Gotta kick this rock and hit the phone for yo. Don't worry about
Don't you
it.
wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was freak like me? Don't you? Don't you? Don't you wish your girlfriend was wrong like me? Don't you wish your girlfriend was fun like me? Don't you? Thank you. Thank you guys, I love you.
Maraming salamat, Kit Kat, Cover Boys. Ganda naman ni Kit
And you know,
Kat.
she has excellent taste in shoes.
Totoo yun.
Oo, sexy siyang bag-sapatos
Lahat
talaga.
talaga napapansin natin dito.
Correct. Alam mo naman tayong dalawa. Pero, aalamin natin from the boys, ano ba yung mga napapansin nila sa girls?
From the Cover Boys.
Yes, they're gonna tell us what do they like Ano yung mga first impression? What do they find sexy?
At hindi
Diba?
lamang yun, aalamin din natin kung ano ang strengths, ika nga ng cover boys. Anong meron sila na sa palagay nila ay hindi pwedeng hindi mapansin ng mga girls. We'll get to know them better sa pagbabalik lamang, kaibigan, ng Boys!
And Chris.
Good morning! Good morning, John.
Good morning.
John James.
Good morning.
Jay.
Gandang umaga po. Good morning po.
And
Morning!
Kita mo na, yung Maxim.
Maxi Magazine, page
Yun, no?
32.
Wow. Whoa.
June issue. Ayan, dyan po ako. What women really
Congratulations.
want.
Okay, let's talk to the boys.
Hey, Miss Chris.
Okay, Rafi, anong mga pag first impression na nakaka-turn on at nakaka-turn off para sa'yo?
Okay, if it's too much showing skin.
Turn off.
Yeah.
obvious.
Tama.
If you're looking for a girlfriend, para sa akin, you still want a lady. You want a lady, not somebody who can carry herself on the street, somebody who still has respect for herself.
Naisip ko
Anong turn
lamang.
on para sa'yo?
Turn on para sa akin is long hair. I like long hair.
Uy, long hair na ako. Binili ang long hair mong yan.
Jake, ikaw, on-off.
Sa akin naman, someone who's too overdone. Kasi I enjoy the simple things. Yung gusto ko simple lang talaga.
Overdone in terms of
Natural
makeup?
lang. Yeah, that's one for me. That's one for me.
Okay.
Isa yun sa akin.
Okay,
Yeah.
yung turn on.
Turn on sa akin kasi it's really the conversation eh. But then physically, of course, gusto ko yung kahit natural may dating pa rin. Yung may posture pa rin. may
Yan ang hindi
finesse.
nabibili. Yung X factor.
Turn
I have no
on,
further
turn off.
questions.
Turn on.
Para sa akin po, yung smile, I really like their smile.
May ipin o wala? That's a joke.
Important sa kanya.
Talaga, turn off yan, yung walang ipin.
Oh, and then, apart from teeth, ano pa ang hilig mo?
I like nice feet also.
You, John.
Siguro turn off would be bad manners.
Katulad,
Eating in a restaurant tapos hindi nilagay napkin sa lap, ganun type?
Siguro,
o nakataas ang paa,
maybe just a thank you every now and then would be nice.
Hindi marunong mag-thank you daw, tama.
That's
Or hindi
true.
nagpe-please.
Yeah, it's just things
Correct.
like that that make
you know, but
that I
that can be
notice.
faked, ha?
Yeah,
During your first meeting, you say, yeah, sure, thank you.
Yeah.
Now that she hears you, she can actually
Oh, and
do
then?
it. And then,
another turn off would be too much makeup. Siguro.
Boy, alam mo kasi, even from a girl's perspective, di ba? Ibang makeup pag humaharap sa TV at iba yung pag kami lang. Kung kunyari manunod lang ng movie or kunyari magsisimba ka, iba talaga, binubura-bura ko yan talaga. Kasi
Okay.
nakakahiya.
Siguro another turn off would be. Oh, sorry, that's too many turn
okay,
offs.
no problem. would be.
Maybe a girl who looks in the mirror too much.
Alam mo, again I have to defend. Sorry. At talaga guilty ako. Kasi you have to retouch in our business. Ang dali-dali i-chismis ng buong mundo. Oh my God, si Chris Aquino ang oily in person, ha?
Kasi,
So, ang
alright.
tanong na lang ngayon, may age bracket ba na dinedate ninyo?
Preference again, ang pinag-uusapan
Oo.
natin.
Well, my
Rafi.
preference is as long as she's mature, doesn't matter what. She has to be of legal age.
Paano
of
kung
course.
17?
That's what I was saying din. She has to
Close your
to my
age.
Dapat may
age
team
and,
number na.
Pero Rafi, hindi ka attracted halimbawa to older women? Because
yeah.
maturity is a big thing for you.
Yeah, I went through that phase before, but I got over it.
Explain mo sa akin yung maturity. Kasi, in so many ways, I feel...
It's relative.
Yeah, eh.
Yeah,
Anong ibig sabihin mo? I keep hearing that sana mature. Ano yung
Right.
mature?
Para sa akin, a woman who can stand on her own. Independent. Yeah, being able to be independent, know how to get around, like, financially, know how to take care of herself.
Nasa kilos kasi, may trabaho, independent from anybody, financially independent. That's what you're talking about. No?
Yeah, financially independent din. But if not naman yung girl who relies too much on her parents' credit card naman.
Right.
You, Jake.
For me, I think, ang sa akin naman kasi gusto kong, sa isang relationship, gusto ko pareho kayong sabay kayo nagmamature. Both of you learn from each other's experiences.
Okay.
Kung ano yung nangyari sa inyo at kung ano ang mangyayari sa inyo.
Wait, sandali. Ito ngayon, ang tatanungin ko na lang sa kanilang dalawa ngayon. Kasi kakadating nyo lang dito and you grew up abroad. So, anong preference nyo? Pinoy or foreign?
John James.
Well,
Or like she's half-half, di ba?
exactly. She's half French.
Pero yung preference mo, let's talk